Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this UQHH gel blaster gun. Looks very nice, comes in this packaging also with a lot of gel bullets. It's on the listing, everything is looking good, everything what we want. Here's some description, but is it really what we want? So I'm going to take it out of the box and I'm going to show you the assembly, and then I'm going to show you how it's shooting. Of course, you have to be aware of that that's not a toy for small children. I think the recommendation is about 12 years and up. And also then, when it's used by teenagers or adults, make sure that you are protecting yourself, especially your eyes and ears and everything enough, and you are not shooting towards each other, especially not towards the head, of course. Because even though these are just gel bullets, they can hurt quite a lot and even cause some damage if you are not careful. So here is what we get in the box. We also get these gel packets. I think there are 10,000 in each, so this could last a very long time, I can tell you. These are really a lot. They look very small, but at the end I can show you that when they are fully inflated after about 4 hours, when you put them in a glass of water, wait for about 4 hours, and then you're using something like this strainer and then removing these from the water. And the good thing is they last very long. I have produced this about half a year ago, left them in this packaging, and you can see they are still operatable, absolutely no problem, not even mold or so. I think these gel balls are really a nice thing. They are environmental friendly. I mean, these are just normal things which people are using for their flowers, no different thing. And here is some instruction manual. Maybe it helps you a little bit to make a better buying decision, or if you bought used or you just lost the instructions. I hope it's focusing nicely. So this is what we get. Of course, here we have the bullet container, then the connection to the gun, here the gun itself, and it looks really, really nice. One of the nicest gel blaster guns I've ever seen. And here's even some pointing assistance. I think we have to remove the battery. Let's see how this works. We can turn it on, gives a nice focus. Yeah, almost looks like a laser. It's really sharp. Yeah, it's surprising. You have to be careful. Don't point at other people with this thing. This looks pretty sharp, almost like a laser. Yeah, for me it definitely looks like a laser. So the good thing, it helps a lot and you can reach quite some distance. I point this a little bit to the wall. You can see that definitely a laser, not just like any red light or so. So the good thing is this can definitely help, but you definitely have to be careful with that. Then I've also tried the glasses, and the glasses provide really nice protection also from the side. You can see that here, and the size is really good. You can pull this out and extend the temples, and so it fits even for large or even extra large head size. I have something between large and extra large, and these have been fitting very good. And then the battery, let's see how we can add them, and the charging cable. Charging cable is normal USB on this side, some proprietary cable. I mean proprietary, this is something which most of the gel blasters are using. So of course the first thing then, when you want to prepare for the first shooting, put these things into the water, because it takes up to 4 hours to fully inflate, and only after that start with the assembly of the gun. The good thing what I noticed here, that we have lithium-ion batteries. A lot of similar devices come with old-fashioned nickel cadmium or so, which then cause problem over time. This is much better here. So of course we have to give it a full charge first before we can use it, and so we have to connect the white plugs here. And the good thing is that we have some LED assistant lights, so we can see when it's charging and when it's full. Yeah, it's pulling quite some power, 0.5 amps, that's a lot. So if it keeps charging like that, it would take about 3 to 4 hours for a full charge. So let's already fill the bullet container here. To mount the bullet container, we have to mount this thing first. You can align it something like that. It should just snap in something like that, and you can see you can also remove it later, it's no problem. And then really important, you have to mount the bullet container upside down. I mean, you have to hold the gun upside down so you can screw the bullet container in an upright position, otherwise it could cause a mess. And then of course we want to add the laser pointer again, so we just slide it in here. And the good thing is that we have the on off down here, so we can easily activate and deactivate it. After the batteries are fully charged, we can remove it from the charger. Then we have to open the battery compartment. Just turn this to the side and we can open it. There are no very detailed instructions about how to add the battery, but of course we have to match black on black. That's the good thing. So to charge white on white, to use black on black. And then we push the cable here inside. There's plenty of space here inside, but I would just push this cable here inside and leave the white cable here to the front so we can use that. So hopefully this will work. Let's see. Yeah, we can still use that easily. So that's the good thing. So we don't have to remove the battery from the gun every time we are charging it. Just can push it a little bit down when we want to charge it. We grab it easily. So that's a good thing. Let's see if we can already turn it on. Okay, works really nice. Yeah, nice switch here in the back. There's just no on off, so I'll put probably a sticker on it to see on which side we have the on, which side we have the off. So we are ready now. Let's go outside and have a look how this is performing. Okay, so we are back inside, and I would say it has been performing really good. I didn't have many problems at the beginning, of course, like with every new gel blaster magazine. When you're using it, no matter what gun it is, maybe the first 10 rounds or so are not properly shot, but after that it has been working really reliable on single shots or on multiple shots. Everything really good. The laser pointer, of course, is a little bit off depending on the distance, and so it can still help a lot, especially during the night or when it's not super bright. So I would say everything what I've seen so far is really good. I can highly recommend it, and so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.